Oh.
Hello, Mandy. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Yes.
Okay, great. Can I get yours?
Typing it in the chat right now. Okay.
So 343.
Yes.
Is it the same assignment you've been working on?
Yeah.
Revise. That's
Yes. Okay.
we're all set to go. Just go ahead and share your screen with me and pick up where we left off.
Okay. Is it
Is this where we left off?
Yeah, the highlighted part. Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay. Let's see. And this is a new paragraph, right?
Yes. Yes. It's a new paragraph.
Okay, do me a favor and just read the paragraph.
Okay. On page 4, the writing and grammar section of the test does not need to change because it is simple and easy to understand. The direction for the writing is easy to understand since it asks the test takers to write about what they did the day before the placement test. This section of the test was more of a free write and to test how well the students are able to write a short paragraph about their day. The two grammar sections on this page are similar to the first and second pages. The first grammar section is where you choose which word is correct. A correct answer for each question, like page 2, questions 3 and 4. The second grammar section is matching the answers with the questions like on page 1. My rating for this section is 5 because I do not see any problems with this section of the test. Everything in this section is things that the test takers saw before on the other pages, like pages 1 and 2.
Okay. So, where do you think we should begin?
I think I can show you the part of the test too. See. This is what that part, page 4 looks like.
Yeah, I've seen it.
Yeah, that part, and then this, the grammar part of it.
So the grammar is 2 sections.
Yes.
write the correct word. Gives you two to choose from
Mhm.
for each one. And then the second grammar part says questions, answers. So you just have to write the correct letter on the line.
Mhm.
So for example, what should they do? Let's see. Letter C. They should take a class. So you put C on the blank line for that's how you do it.
Mhm.
All right. Let's go back to the paper and
Yes.
you show me where you want to begin.
Okay. I think I'll start with the part about the writing section of the test, maybe. Here. This part.
Okay, that's two sentences right there. Do you want me to combine them?
Yeah, if possible, yes.
Let me see if it's possible. Let's see. Direction for the writing is section test. I think I can do something like this. send this to you. Go ahead and have a look. It says directions for the writing task were straightforward. Test takers needed to write freely about the day before the test.
Okay, yeah.
So I think that'll be it to replace 2 sentences.
Okay, yes. Okay. Is this supposed to be together the word straightforward?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I'm sorry. Go ahead. Correct.
Okay.
Now, what else do you think we can fix in this paragraph?
I think like of those parts about like how I was talking about how the grammar section of the test of this page is similar to the first 2 pages. Those sections.
Want to go ahead and talking about?
Yeah. Let's do with the first and then about that part. So
These 2 right here.
yes.
You want me to combine these 2 also?
Yeah. Yeah, if possible, yes.
Okay, give it a shot. Okay, it says the 2 grammar sections of this page are similar to the first and second pages. First section choose
Yes.
I don't think you need that first sentence.
Oh, that first one?
Yeah,
Okay.
I would just get
Okay.
first grammar section. Choose which one is the correct answer for each question. Page 2 questions. Okay, the first grammar section. Okay, let's see if we can just start taking this into the chat.
Okay.
Just give me a moment. Okay, I'm gonna send you this replacement sentence. Go ahead and have a look.
Okay.
It says the first grammar section involves selecting the right words, similar to questions 3 and 4 on page 2. And that will replace the first grammar sections where you choose which word is the correct answer for each question.
Okay.
Like page 2 questions.
Yes. Okay. This one, the second grammars.
Okay. Let's see. The second grammar section is mentioned the answers. Questions. Okay. Let's see.
For the page one, there wasn't really a question. It was more like a section on that page 1 with the matching for the grammar. And for the first page, it was only one section for grammar.
Okay. So go ahead. It says the second grammar section is a matching exercise to the section on page 1.
Yeah. Okay. Yes.
Is there anything else?
Um. Okay. I think. Oh, what happened? I.
What happened?
Yes, I think somehow I closed everything for some reason when I was moving the stuff around.
Yeah, careful.
Yeah.
Okay, where were we?
Can you combine these words into sentences?
Which ones? Show me.
The
Those right there.
yeah.
Page 4, section text does not change because this section this section text. Everything in this section is things the test yourself. The other pages. Okay, I think to give me a second.
Okay.
Work through this report here. Okay, let me see here. I'm gonna send this your way.
Yeah, okay.
Go ahead. Look. It says it scored the writing and grammar sections 5 because there does not appear to be any issues. Test takers should be familiar with a similar layout, pages 1 and 2.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
What do you think so far? Okay. Let's go to the next paragraph and then see if this. Do me a favor.
Yes.
Do you see that red line under the word does?
It says make it do.
Okay, yeah, change it to do.
Okay.
All right, let's continue. Next paragraph, like you said, go ahead.
Okay. Okay. For pages 5 and 6, the changes would be with the questions on page 5. Some of the questions do not make sense, like with questions 4 and 5. 4, 5, and 10, it seems to be very useless, but those questions are meant to be for the comprehension section. Then I get why there are those questions on page 5. The picture on page 6 is kind of small and very busy. The test administrator should have made the image bigger on the page and made it less confusing. The one good thing about this section is the other questions I did not mention, which are questions 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. My rating for this section would be a 3 since there are problems with the questions on page 5 and the image is kind of confusing.
What do you think so far?
Um,
Would you like to begin?
yes. Think here. Yeah.
Okay, this is just one sentence this time. Make any corrections here. Says questions 4, 5, and 10. Seems yes. But if those questions for the comprehension section, then I get why those questions. Page 5. So
Yeah, I can show you the test.
wait,
Yes.
no, I was asking real quick. So it says blank with questions 4, 5, and 10. It seems to be useless. So are you saying that the questions on page 5 are useless?
No, like those questions I have here, because
So you're saying questions 4, 5, and 10.
yes, because so-called, you see this one, question 4 asks, is it summer yet? Is it summer? And then so-called what they want them to respond is, no, it isn't. And then on, this is 5. And then 10 is this one. What based, and this is based on the picture. On this one. On this picture.
Okay, let's go back to your page. Okay, I'm gonna send you that place.
Okay.
It says, second,
No, I'm here.
there it is. It says questions 4, 5, and 10 here one is finished, but they serve to measure comprehension. So I truly understood this.
Okay. Yeah.
Does that sound good?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Okay, now, is there anything else about this paragraph?
About this,
Do me a favor. Do you see that red line?
so at the
Yeah.
ED.
Yeah, change that to search.
Okay.
Stephanie.
Okay. But the page 6 picture.
Would you like me to combine those two sentences?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Okay, let's see what I can do. It says, picture on page 6 is test straight. Should have made the image big on the page. Oh, okay, let's see. Give one bonus. Okay, this to this one says the illustration on page 6 is too crowded for such a small picture. It would have benefited from a larger scale, fewer images.
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay.
Else?
Maybe with this sentence and see if I need to add it or like move it. Um, or the rewording the sentence.
Okay, I can do that. Just give me a second. It says from pages 5 and 6, the changes. Questions on page 5. Some questions to make sense. Okay. Here it comes.
Okay.
I have very short, simple sentence.
Mhm.
It says some of the questions on page 5.
Okay.
It's very straightforward way of saying. Anything else about this paragraph?
With the last two, yeah, see if we can combine it or like change the placement of the sentence.
Let me see what I can do. Just give me a second. It says, one good thing about this section is questions. Questions. 6. Section. Since questions. Okay, let's see what I can do here. Okay, I'm gonna send you a replacement sentence.
Okay. Okay.
It says, though I could not find anything wrong with questions 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 9. I still rated this section 3 out of 5 due to problems, questions, page 5, and the confusing picture on page 6.
Yeah, okay.
So what do you think of that so far?
Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's good.
Let's continue.
Yeah.
Well, can you
Yes. I want to see the chart.
Can I see your chart?
Yeah.
Just so you gave
Yes.
the test sections, vocabulary, grammar, reading, short answer, writing, and listening, speaking, page 5 and 6. You gave all of those a practicality score of 5 for all sections.
My like so-called the directions for the I based my little score off the directions on the page before the placement test. Yeah.
Okay. All right, got it. Okay, let's continue. So for this next paragraph, Mandy,
Yes.
I think we only have enough time for you to read it out loud.
Okay.
And then we'll have to pick up where we left off next time.
Okay. In conclusion, when doing this assignment, I found the placement tests can be very confusing and easy to understand. On pages 1 through 4, it is where the students will be taking the test on their own, and they cannot ask for any help. For pages 5 and 6, the test administrator will ask the questions from page 5 about the image on page 6. The questions on page 5 will not be shown to the students when they take that section of the test with the image. I think this assignment was worthwhile since teachers will be creating tests for students to test their knowledge of what they are learning from the class. Some of my suggestions for this assignment are to give the students an example of how this assignment is supposed to look like. The second suggestion is to give the student a refresher of the term like present continuous when looking back at the different sections of the test. I do see some of the sections would need to add a few more words to the directions to make the students understand what to do for each section.
Right.
Yes.
Well, we just have that one paragraph left.
Yes.
It should be done. Right?
Yes.
Okay, Mandy. Have a good day.
Okay.
And I'll see you again for our next meeting. Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.